Prompt foo evaluates prompts and model outputs. You define prompts with variables, providers, example, OpenAI, and topic, and test cases. It runs them and scores results. Think of prompt foo as prompt plus model plus regression testing. So let's take a look how it works. So I've already set up a project called prompt foo. I'm going to run the command npx prompt foo at the latest eval. What this will do is it will look at the prompt foo config file, which is, so you can already see the results over here. So both tests passed, and the test was defined in this config file that I was pointing at earlier. So the description is getting started because we are just using getting started examples. So the test is uh, over here. So the prompt was convert this to English, and there are two variables, language and input, and it would translate the language into input. So the first test is this, the second test is this. So in the first test, we are saying language is French, input is hello world, and it should just say bonjour, li bon day. Pardon my French accent. And then similarly, Spanish, where is a library, and um, you know how to pronounce that better than me. So it automatically checks it, and this is an assert. So every test has an actual, expected, which is this, and assert. So this is what it's doing. It checks I contains means it contains this thing, and contains means this is what it would have. So this is for checking if your prompts are working correctly. It creates this kind of output, and if you want to view the results, you can just type view, and it should just open up a browser window and show you the output results. Oh, I should have said y. So I'll do that again. Y, and that opens the browser output, and you can see a very nice HTML report. So that works out of the box without any major challenges, and it's a really good tool to test the prompts, does what it says on the box, and much more. So I would rate this as S class.